Hi, George. Thank you for
Hello,
thank you
Andreas.
for attending. Thank you for
My pleasure.
participating in our panel. New company. You just got licensed.
Yes,
How
indeed.
long ago was it?
Very recently, we obtained the license, the CASP license from SciSec. I believe it was mid-October.
In October. How long did it take for the application process and everything?
Well, I personally was not there, but I understand that it took approximately about 9 to 12 months in order to, prepare the application, fill in all the gaps that was required for the license, and we're very grateful to have obtained the license finally.
So the process is not lengthy as most people will think.
Well, it depends on how well you are already organized. So if you don't have everything that is needed for the license, then yes, it will take longer. But as far as the process itself, it was quite straightforward. We had some help from Grant Thornton, Cyprus, and everything went smoothly. And SciSec, the regulator, was actually pretty responsive. I would expect it to have taken longer, but it was sooner than later.
That's very good news to hear.
Yes,
It's very good news and well done.
thank you.
On the aspect of the company, what's the business model?
Well, Teroxx Digital Assets is a crypto as a service provider. Our target market is mainly high net worth individuals from Europe, mainly Germany, Austria. We also onboard, legal entities, corporate clients, family offices, anyone that wants to enter the digital asset space in the most compliant, regulated way that instills some trust, asset integrity, and has a white glove touch to it. It's like private banking, but for digital assets.
That's very good. So, in the just to get back to the theme of Cyprus Fintech Summit as well, what are the technologies that you are using? It's like, do you have like a secret weapon, a niche, something that differentiates in terms of cybersecurity?
Well,
What can we give? What would you like to? What would be the message, let's say, to your consumers?
Well, I think it's very important to work with partners that are well established in the space, that have proved themselves time and time again that they are on top of their game. So, for example, when it comes to compliance, we're utilizing SAMSAP, Elliptic, Comply Advantage, which are some of the top companies when it comes to KYC in the space.
So you're a high compliant company, compliance first, let's
Fully
say.
compliant. Under MiCAR, there is no room for error. My personal goal is for the company to have zero complaints from any client. We want to ensure this, trustful experience for all our clients, to feel like they're in very good hands and that they're dealing in a most regulated, financial environment in the end of the day.
And the company is active, is live, onboarding clients.
Yes. We are now in a period of transition, if we would like to say that. So we have more than 2,000 clients. Last year, we obtained a trading volume of more than $2 billion. So right now, the main challenge is to be able to move all those clients under the previous Lithuanian VASP to the Cypriot CASP, which is fully regulated with a MiCA license.
So there's a higher level of regulation under the CASP license in Cyprus.
Of course, absolutely.
And in the essence of trading and the access to the market is what's your mentality? How is the fee structure?
Well, the fee structure, it depends on your tier level. So we have specific tier levels for our clients. So we have light, silver, gold, and platinum plus. and each one of those tiers provides different benefits, different perks, and lower fees. So if you're on the platinum level, then you would have much lower fees than being on the light level. What we do, we provide access to digital assets. Of course, right now is a little bit small portfolio of assets, but my personal intention is to enrich this, to be able to touch upon specific niches of the market, and of course reduce the risk for our clients. So it's going to be hand-picked projects that will fulfill specific criteria, and of course according to the risk profile of each client. So it's not going to be suitable for everyone. Besides that, we provide the Crypto Grow program, where you can actually increase your digital assets by staking. Of course, that is done not with a so technical, with a need for a technical background. So we take care of all the details in the background. Moreover, we provide payment services. We have our own dedicated cards through a third-party provider, that is. And we have plans to include more regulated services such as investment advice and portfolio management starting 2026.
Well done, well done. Oh, I wish you all the best on this one. It's a very challenging task. Did you meet any potential partners here? Did you meet any relevant people for you?
Actually, yes. So I'm at the forefront of regulatory compliance. So I got to meet some very interesting people, interesting companies, value propositions. So right now we are preparing internally for a lot of changes when it comes to the EU regulations. One has to do with the DAC8, the crypto asset reporting framework. Of course, we need to update all the terms of use on our website for the transition from the Lithuanian entity to the Cypriot entity. So I met some people here that I think will be able to assist me in this task.
That's well done. This is the reason we are doing the event, to bring the industry leaders of Cyprus and also from abroad, because we have people visiting, and boost our ecosystem locally. What are the key takeaways from your panel?
Well, from my panel, I would say that everybody is very focused on the new regulations that are coming out, whether it's PSD3, whether it's the new AI Act, whether it is MiCAR. I would also say that from my side of things, I think that we are headed towards the right direction when it comes to establishing the trust required for the crypto asset space to evolve, so that we can have professional investors, regulated funds, and high net worth individuals to actively engage with the crypto asset market. On the other hand, what I would like to see moving forward, especially for Cyprus, is the bridge between the traditional finance space and the crypto space. So the main issue nowadays is that even if you are a CASP, it's very difficult to obtain a bank account. Even if you have invested millions into the compliance, into the organizational requirements, into the licensing, the banks simply treat crypto as a very high risk sector, although you have the license, although you have been regulated. So I'm hoping that this thing will change soon. This will enable Cyprus to be at the forefront of in the European Union when it comes to the crypto asset space.
It could be a global niche for Cyprus if we do it the correct way. Challenging task, but I think we have the minds and the willingness to move that way.
I do hope so.
In the aspect of because a lot of the conversations today, AI is a hot topic of the last years. How much role AI plays in your company?
Well, for me personally, I'm using it every day for the last 2 years. So if it can be done by the AI, yes, I'm gonna do the prompting. It's kind of an art, I would like to say. So I've been cultivating this art for the last 2 years. I think that AI is super helpful. It's saving us lots and lots of hours from manual labor. But of course, we're not there yet. It's not perfect. You need to check every output. You need to make sure that the AI doesn't hallucinate, does not provide you with the wrong information. When it comes to the company processes, we are already using AI, even though we might not notice it. So when it comes to the KYC verification, all of that is done with underlying AI technology. Or when it comes to blockchain monitoring analytics, again, AI plays a huge role into providing you the risk reports for each wallet, for each network, and so on. So it's already embedded. It's a matter of us to, let's say, grab the opportunity to expand the service offering when it comes perhaps to investment advice, portfolio management, AI agentic rebalancing of portfolios, and all that through always human monitoring, human intervention when needed, so that things do not go south in any case.
Makes absolute sense. What do you expect to see in 2026? What are your plans? Are you planning to expand beyond Europe, or for now it's like stabilizing the business, expanding the service, enhancing the services?
Our plans for 2026 is to passport our license to all member states within the EU, establish offices in the various countries within the EU, and expand also our offering. So that's it in a nutshell. It's going to be a hectic task, but it's going to be challenging. I'm very excited about it, so I'm looking forward to 2026.
It's looking like you're on the right path, and I wish all the best to the company.
Thank you, Andreas.
Look, Christmas is coming. Is there time for holidays and a little bit of a recharging?
Yes, it's always there needs to be some time to rest. I mean, it is a marathon, but we also need to rest. Take care of the family, spend time. I mean, in the end of the day, we need to have a work-life balance. We need to be healthy, both mentally and physically, and that is not possible without adequate rest and spending time with the right people.
And what about a message to people who want to start businesses in Cyprus, or they want to move, or they want to consider investing in Cyprus?
Well, I think Cyprus is absolutely wonderful when it comes to doing business, raising kids, having families. Of course, we have also good news when it comes to the crypto corporate tax. It's going to be set at 8%, while other countries in the EU, like Spain, are considering more than 40% crypto taxes. So if you are in crypto, if you're an entrepreneur, I would certainly recommend Cyprus. I would say Cyprus is all about the sea, the sun, professional services, and now with MICAR also crypto assets.
And don't forget food and people, because we have a very good culture around food. We've got people, and also the fact that we are multicultural, and the last few years we've seen a lot of large foreign companies coming here, and of course our own homegrown companies that are reaching new levels. Anything else that you would like to say for Teroxx?
Well, what I would say is that we have huge plans for the expansion of the company. So right now we are hiring. So if you are passionate about crypto assets, if you are in compliance, in sales, in support, have a look at our website. We have a lot of openings. The team is expanding fast. And we have a fantastic culture. A lot of people from different nationalities, different backgrounds, all come together in order to create what we call ourselves a digital asset boutique, a white glove experience for high net worth individuals that are looking to get into the crypto space.
So for everyone who's listening and is looking for a next career move, so you've got job openings, a great opportunity on the website.
Yes.
Perfect. I wanna say a big thank you for sponsoring the event.
You're
Cyprus
welcome.
Fintech Summit is a small hub at the moment. It's been 6 years, but now we are growing to new levels, And hopefully we'll see you next year in the next event.
It was my pleasure. I wish you all the best. I'm supporting the event. I love the people. I love the energy. I love the insights I'm getting from the panel discussions and the presentations. So yeah, best of luck for the next year.
Thank you, George. Thank you. Thank you very
welcome.
much. Da-da-da-da-da-da.